Hello, in today's video, we will show how you can show pictures against the items. There is a special trick to view the pictures against the items in Microsoft Excel. As we move the cursor over the items, it will show the concerned pictures. Let's learn how to do it. Right-click on the item, click on Insert Comment, remove any text from the comment box. Move the cursor over the borders of the comment. When the cursor changes to arrow, now right-click, click on Format Comment. Format Comment dialog box will open with different tabs. Go to Colors and Lines. Click on Colors. Now click on Fill Effects. Now Fill Effects dialog box will open with different tabs. Go to Picture tab. Click on Select Picture. Now select the required picture from any of these options, like from a file, Bring Image Search or OneDrive. My data pictures are saved on the computer, so click on From a File and click on Required Picture. Click on Insert, OK. Now, when you move the cursor over the items, it will show the item's picture. You can change the picture in the same way. Just right-click on the item and click on Edit Comment. To delete the picture, right-click on the items and click on Delete Comment.